Hello friends, myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. In today's lecture, we will see the packaging of an ointment. So how ointment are packed, how ointment are distribute or dispense. So the packaging of ointment. In that ointment are packed in a jar which is made up of colorless or colored glass. Generally, amber color glass or amber color bottle, that is wide mouth container, are light sensitive preparations. When dispensed, that colored bottle are used, which having a screw cap and impermeable liners. Then ointments sometimes are dispensed, or some ointments are dispensed in a collapsible tube which is made up of tin or plastic and supply with a applicator. Then storage condition. So ointment are stored in a well closed container and placed in a cool place. It is protected from high temperature and direct sunlight because the viscosity of ointment get changed due to higher temperature. So that's why that ointment are protected from direct sunlight or high temperature. And to prevent a loss of volatile content, then high temperature soften or melt the base, and that's why there is occurring of separation of phase may takes place. So generally ointment are placed in a cool place and well closed container. The special labeling condition for ointment, that is for external use only. Then selection of dermatological vehicle. So while selection of vehicle, that is base, following are the factor which governs the selection of ideal base for ointment. कुठल्या प्रकारचं ऑइंटमेंट बेस हे यूज करायचं आहे, कुठले फॅक्टर हे कन्सिडर करून ते ऑइंटमेंट बेस सिलेक्ट करायचं आहे, दॅट इज दॅट सिलेक्शन ऑफ डर्मॅटोलॉजिकल vehicle. So in that two factors, that is dermatological factor and second that is a pharmaceutical factor. So let's see one by one. So in dermatological factor, following 7 points are to be considered, that is absorption and penetration, effects on a skin, then miscibility with the skin secretion and serum, then compatibility with skin secretion, then freedom from irritant effect, emollient property, and last one that is easy of application and removal. These dermatological factors, dermatological factor nothing but that factor are related with the skin, that is a dermatological factor. So this is the structure of a skin, that is in upper layer, that is the epidermis layer, next layer that is a dermis, and last one that is a hypodermic, and in that blood vessels are there. So when we consider that dermatological factor, in that first factor, that is absorption and penetration. So what is meant by that absorption? So absorption means actual entry of drug into the bloodstream, and penetration means pass through skin, that is a penetration. This is the difference. Absorption means actual actual entry of drug into the bloodstream, that is the blood circulation, and penetration is nothing but a pass through the skin, that is the absorption and penetration. So generally skin have a three main layers, that is epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. Upper layer, that is the epidermis, then next that is the dermis, and last one that is the hypodermic. So generally scientifically prove that animal fat like wool fat and fish oil penetrate more readily through the skin in comparison to the mineral oil, that is the paraffin. then the substance which are soluble both in oil and water are most readily absorbed because they are skin contain both the layers, that is skin have a sebaceous gland which secrete a sebum which is a oil in nature, and skin contain a sweat gland which secrete the sweat. So skin contain both the things, that is oil and water. So O by W type of emulsion bases releases medicament more readily than oleogenous base means W by O type of emulsion bases. आता जनरली emulsion base जो असणार आहे O by W की ज्याच्या डिस्पर्स फेजला ऑइल आहे, ज्याच्या कंटिन्युअस फेजला वॉटर आहे, दॅट इमल्शन बेसेस रिलीज मेडिकामेंट मोर रेडिली बिकॉज स्किन हॅव अ लार्ज पोर्शन ऑफ अ sweat gland. So that's why that O by W type of emulsion bases releases medicament readily than that of oleogenous bases, that is the O by W type of emulsion bases. Then effect on a skin function. आता जनरली स्किन काय फंक्शन परफॉर्म करत असते, तर जनरली स्किन एक तर स्वेट सिक्रिशन करतं आणि सिबम सिक्रिशन करतं. बोथ सिक्रिशन्स आर बेनिफिशियल फॉर द बॉडी. स्वेट सिक्रिशनमुळे टेम्परेचर मेंटेन राहतं आणि सिबम सिक्रिशनमुळे काय होणार आहे, तर फॉरेन पार्टिकल जे असणार आहे ते इंटर होणार नाही त्या स्किनमध्ये. मीन्स एक लेअर त्या ऑइलचा त्या स्किनवरती राहतो, वॉट एवर डस्ट स्टिक टू दॅट ऑइल. ओके, दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ अ स्किन की एक तर बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करते आणि जे सिबम सिक्रिट करते ते सुद्धा बॉडीला प्रोटेक्ट करते फ्रॉम अ फॉरेन ॲटमॉस्फियर. So less greasy base or greasy base are interfere with the skin function like heat, radiation and sweat secretion, and also they irritate to the skin. तर जे greasy bases आहे, greasy bases which are oil in nature and they block the pores of a skin, that is the sebum and sweat, and that's why the heat and the function like heat, radiation and sweat excretion and also irritant to the skin. का, कारण की कंप्लीट पोर्स जे असणार आहे ते पोर्स हे ब्लॉक होऊन जात असतात, स्किन त्याचं फंक्शन प्रॉपरली परफॉर्म करू शकत नाही, म्हणून ग्रीसी बेसेस जनरली आपण अवॉइड करत असतो. Then the O by W type of bases means water soluble bases gives a cooling effect with a healing effect. आता O by W की ज्याच्या जो इमल्शन बेस आहे ज्याच्या कंटिन्युअस फेजमध्ये वॉटर आहे, तर तो जो बेस असणार आहे दॅट बेसेस प्रोड्युसेस अ कूलिंग इफेक्ट अँड रेडिली मिक्स विथ द स्किन सिक्रेशन बिकॉज स्किन मोर ॲब्सॉर्ब और मोर जनरेट्स द sweat. That's why O by W type of bases, which means water soluble bases, give a cooling effect with the healing effect. Then miscibility with the skin secretion and serum. So emulsion bases which are more readily miscible with the skin secretion as compared to the greasy material. The emulsion bases just like the O by W type of bases which is readily miscible because skin contain a water, and that bases are miscible with the skin secretion as compared to the greasy material. Greasy material which completely block the surface of the skin, it blocks the sebaceous gland, it blocks the sweat gland. So for that reason small amount of drug is needed when emulsion bases are used, and generally O by W type of emulsion base are readily miscible with the serum and they are very useful for ointment base for weeping eczemas. The next factor, that is compatibility with the skin secretions. So neutral pH ointments are compatible with the majority of medicament, and also they do not cause any discomfort in a use. सपोज जर ऑइंटमेंट तयार करत असताना आपण pH मेंटेन केला गेला नाही तर दॅट टाइम दॅट ऑइंटमेंट क्रिएट अ इरिटेशन, that ointment produces discomfort to the skin. So that's why the ointment base should have a pH around 5.5 which is the average pH of a skin secretion. तर ointment तयार करत असताना स्किनचा जो पी एच आहे त्या पी एचसोबत मॅच व्हायला पाहिजे असाच ऑइंटमेंट आपण तयार करणार आहे. दॅट इज अ कॉम्पॅटॅबिलिटी विथ द स्किन सिक्रिशन, की स्किन सिक्रिशनच्या जे स्किन सिक्रिशन जे करत आहे तर त्याचे स्किनसोबत डू नॉट एनी टाईप ऑफ ॲक्शन ही क्रिएट व्हायला नको असं ऑइंटमेंट हे आपण तयार करणार आहे. देन फ्रीडम फ्रॉम इरिटंट इफेक्ट्स. जनरली ऑइंटमेंट बेस शुड बी नॉन इरिटंट. द ग्रीसी बेसिस कॉजेस इरिटेशन अँड मे कॉज अ एडिमा. आता एडिमा म्हणजे काय की एडिमा इज नथिंग बट अ ॲक्युमुलेशन ऑफ फ्लुइड्स. जेव्हा कंप्लीट ब्लॉकेज ऑफ पोर्स सेबॅसियस ग्लँडचे असेल वा स्वेट ग्लँडचे असेल, ओके, ॲट दॅट टाईम जेव्हा कंप्लीट ब्लॉकेज ऑफ पोर्स जर झाले, स्किन जर कोट झाली कंप्लीट, तर स्वेट ग्लँड असेल किंवा सिबॅसियस ग्लँड असेल तर ते त्यांचं फंक्शन परफॉर्म करणार नाही आणि काय होणार आहे की देर इज अ ॲक्युमुलेशन ऑफ फ्लुइड इन बिटवीन दॅट पोर्स अँड दॅट ॲक्युमुलेशन ऑफ फ्लुइड इज नथिंग बट अ एडिमा. So ointment used for eye ointment should be non-irritant and free from foreign particle. तर जनरली जेव्हा आपण ऑइंटमेंट विच इज मीन फॉर अ ऑप्थॅल्मिक पर्पज, स्टराईल ऑइंटमेंट हे असायला पाहिजे. त्याचा प्रॉपर पी एच हा मेंटेन केला गेला पाहिजे. जर स्टराईल ऑइंटमेंट जर राहिलं नाही अँड दॅट ऑइंटमेंट इज यूज इन अ ऑप्थॅल्मिक पर्पज, ॲट दॅट टाईम देर इज अ सिव्हिअर इरिटेशन इज ऑकर वेन वी यूज दॅट ointment. And last one, that is all ointment bases should be high standard of purity. So whatever bases which are used in preparation of ointment, all that bases have a high standard of purity. Then next, that is emollient property, which is the next dermatological factor. In that the ointment base should be emollient properties that should be able to keep skin the moist. आता स्किन मॉइस्ट करणं किंवा स्किन मॉइस्ट असणं, दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टंट फंक्शन ऑफ अ स्किन. इफ सपोज स्किन बिकम्स ड्राय, ॲट दॅट टाईम वी ॲड ह्युमेक्टंट इन दॅट प्रिपरेशन. The humectant like glycerin or propylene glycol keep the skin surface moist and soft, and wool fat, paraffin which are used for softening of a skin and prevent loss of moisture from the skin. जेव्हा सरफेस इव्हॅपोरेशन होत असतं, दॅट इज अ स्किन कंटेनिंग वॉटर जे असणार आहे, मॉइश्चर जे असणार आहे, तर ते जर इव्हॅपोरेट झालं, ते जर ड्राय झालं तर स्किन बिकम्स अ ड्राय, स्किन बिकम्स अ ब्रिटल. एक खराब किंवा स्किन ही ड्राय होत असते, ते अवॉइड करण्यासाठी आपण ह्युमेक्टन्स हे टाकत असतो. ह्युमेक्टन टाकल्यामुळे काय होणार आहे तर स्किन बिकम्स अ मॉइस्ट. त्याचं इव्हॅपोरेशन मीन्स स्किन कंटेनिंग जे मॉइश्चर असणार आहे ते स्किन कंटेनिंग मॉइश्चर हे मेंटेन राहणार आहे, ते इव्हॅपोरेट होणार नाही आणि स्किन ही मॉइस्ट असणार आहे. फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी ॲड दॅट ग्लिसरीन अँड प्रॉपिलिन ग्लायकॉल. देन नेक्स्ट dermatological factor, that is the easy of application and removal. So ointment base should be removed easily from a skin, so stiff and sticky ointment base are not suitable. जे ऑइंटमेंट बेस आपण सिलेक्ट करणार आहे दॅट ऑइंटमेंट बेस आर इझिली वॉशेबल विथ अ वॉटर अँड फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी यूज अ सच अ टाईप ऑफ बेसेस विच आर नॉन ग्रीसी इन अ नेचर अँड that ointment base are easily washed through the water, and also ointment base should be easily applicable and should be sprayed on a skin surface. So when we select the ointment base, such type of ointment base are to be select, that ointment base or that ointment are easily applied without more friction. Such a type of base is to be used in preparation of ointment. Then pharmaceutical factor, in that pharmaceutical factor, 4 factor will consider at the time of selection of base, that is stability, solvent property, emulsifying properties and consistency. So let's see one by one. In that first, that is the stability. So fat and oil which is obtained from oil and vegetable source have to undergo oxidation, so antioxidants are to be used. आता जनरली ऑइल किंवा फॅट यांचा एक ड्रॉबॅक असतो की ऑइल आणि फॅट हे ऑक्सिडेशन यांचं होत असतं. ऑक्सिडेशन होणं म्हणजेच काय की ते जे ऑइल असणार आहे त्यांचं रॅन्सिडिफिकेशन होत असतं, ते खराब होत असतं. सो दॅट्स वाय वी ॲड ॲन अँटीऑक्सिडंट एजंट in that ointment base or in that preparation of ointment for avoiding or preventing that oxidation. Sometimes O by W type of emulsion bases which are liable to microbial growth, so need to add a preservative. So O by W type of emulsion base which contain oil in a dispersed phase and water in a continuous phase. So there is a more amount of water in their continuous phase, and that's why that water is a good media for growth of microorganism. And to avoid that growth of microorganism, for that purpose we add a preservative at the time of preparation of ointment. And then next point, that is a emulsified bases which are liable to phase separation due to improper formulation or under influence of temperature, so required to be stored in a suitable temperature. आता जेव्हा emulsified बेस आपण यूज करतो विच कंटेन ऑइल अँड वॉटर, सो when we use emulsified base, the emulsion have a drawback, that is the separation of phases, that is the cracking. So for avoiding that cracking phenomenon, for avoiding that cracking instability, the ointment should be stored under a well or cool temperature. This is all about stability. The next, that is the solvent property. So most of ingredient or most of medicament which are incorporated with ointment base are insoluble with it, so necessary to mix finely powdered drug in a ointment basis. There are number of drugs which are insoluble in a ointment base. So for mixing purpose, finely powder all that medicament, all that additives, and then mix properly. So here if phenol is used in a solid form with the ointment base, it causes a blister. तर तिथं ब्लिस्टरचे चान्सेस हे होत असतात, मीन्स एक फुगवटा किंवा एक ॲक्युमुलेशन तिथं हे होत असतो. सो चूज अ सुटेबल ऑइंटमेंट बेस विच शुड कीप फिनॉल इन अ सोल्युशन फॉर्म. तर असा बेस सिलेक्ट करा की दॅट फिनॉल इज अ लिक्विड इन अ फॉर्म और दॅट फिनॉल in a solution form, and due to that solution in a form, that phenol is uniformly distributed in that base. So mixture of hard paraffin, soft paraffin, beeswax ointment bases are generally used for a phenol. A combination of bases का, कारण की single ointment base does not fulfill all the ideal characteristic of ideal ointment. That's why a combination of bases are to be used for making an ideal ointment. Similarly, in preparation of compound mercury ointment, olive oil is used to keep camphor in a solution form. तर कॅम्फरचं जेव्हा आपण ऑइंटमेंट तयार करत असतो, ॲट दॅट टाईम वी यूज ओलिव्ह ऑइल बिकॉज that camphor is soluble or that camphor in the form of solution over a period of time. For that purpose we use a olive oil. The next pharmaceutical factor, that is the emulsifying properties. So hydrocarbon bases which absorb less amount of water as compared with animal fat which absorb a large quantity of water. So for example, wool fat which can absorb 50% of water, but when it mixed with the other fat can take up a several time of water or hydroalcoholic liquid. So wool fat is included as a base in a preparation of eye ointment. And the last factor, that is the consistency. The consistency of ointment neither too hard nor too soft. एक प्रॉपर टेम्परेचरला आपण ऑइंटमेंट हे प्रिझर्व करत असतो, ऑइंटमेंट हे स्टोअर करत असतो. का, कारण की टू लिक्विड ऑइंटमेंट हे सुद्धा चालणार नाही, किंवा टू हार्ड ऑइंटमेंट हे सुद्धा चालणार नाही. तर एक प्रॉपर कन्सिस्टन्सीचं ऑइंटमेंट हे आपण डिस्पेन्स करत असतो किंवा त्याला एक प्रॉपर कंडिशनमध्ये एक कूल टेम्परेचरमध्ये त्याला आपण ठेवत असतो. द कन्सिस्टन्सी ऑफ ॲन ऑइंटमेंट कॅन बी ॲडजस्टेड in a such a way that in soft ointment we included have a high melting point substance like hard paraffin, beeswax. So ointment must be stable in a summer season. तर समर सीझनमध्ये लिक्विफिकेशन ऑफ ऑइंटमेंटचे चान्सेस जास्त असतात. का? कारण की समरमध्ये टेम्परेचर हे जास्त असतं. तर ड्यू टू हायर टेम्परेचर वी ॲड अ सच अ बेसिस like beeswax, hard paraffin which have a high melting point so that ointment maintain its consistency during a summer season. And same condition in a winter season. In winter season we use hard ointment included in a low melting point substance like a liquid paraffin. That is in winter season we generally use a liquid paraffin because that liquid paraffin have a low melting point. So hard ointment must be stable in a winter season. Summer season मध्ये टाकणार आपण हार्ड पॅराफिन आणि विंटर सीझन मध्ये टाकणार आपण लिक्विड पॅराफिन. का? कारण की ड्यू टू दॅट वी मेंटेन द कन्सिस्टन्सी ऑफ दॅट ऑइंटमेंट. This is all about the factor, that is pharmaceutical factor and dermatological factor. Thank you.